Hello, my name is Milan Heilmann. I'm the project manager here for CPS Africa and for Fumba Town and for our sister project in the Seoul. And I'm also responsible for the research and development section here in Fumba Town. And we are based in Zanzibar. CPS Africa was started due to the high demand of housing here in Zanzibar. So we were approached by the government of Zanzibar to build a supporting town for Zanzibar city, mainly known as Stone Town, and to really cater to the increasing population growth of Zanzibar. One of our greatest achievements is just behind us. This is Fumba Town. We have already delivered a couple hundreds, up to actually more than 1,000 units here. And our biggest unique selling point definitely is the sustainable part of our town in terms of permaculture, using permaculture principles in the landscaping, but also working on the building technology. So as conventional buildings are very heavy in carbon emissions, we are innovative in the African context to build with timber, with a sustainable and regrowing building material, and have already completed a couple hundred units. And our main vision is to really build millions of houses for the African population with a sustainable way of building. The vision for CPS Africa in terms of urban development is very clear and straightforward. I mean, the population growth is unprecedented in Africa, and we see ourselves as with our pilot project in Fumba Town as a responsible driver for urban developments in Africa. And the demand is only exponentially growing in Africa. We want to be part of building these millions of homes for the African population. And with the coalition of the 50 cities, we believe we as a own developer, we would not have any chance to achieve such a huge vision or goal. So we believe we need to join forces with other cities where we can learn from other cities, from other developments. In the same time, other developments have the ability to learn from us and see what we are doing already, because not a single developer will be able to build the demand that is currently occurring in Africa. One of our biggest challenges, which is also one of our biggest opportunities, is the big base of clients that we have from all over the world. So we have clients from 60 different countries around the world. That requires a very heavy and comprehensive understanding of clients and different handling. So everyone has different expectations, and to really cater these expectations and at the end of the day to find the right balance to really have a product that everyone is happy with. Number two, definitely we're living on an island, so most of the materials that we are building with still have to be imported. Again, one of the challenges, which is an opportunity to really work on the Tanzania and Zanzibar industry for building materials, to really manufacture building materials locally and create value chains within the country. The benefits that I see for our organization from the NXT50 City Coalition are mainly sharing with other developers and other stakeholders in the industry the challenges, right? One example is what we have shared all at the summit is like the high logistics costs and the high infrastructure costs in terms of urban development, right? Because most of these infrastructure costs are not directly connected to the sales or to the direct development of our communities, and pretty much really sharing these challenges and also sitting together at the round table and looking for solutions and how we can overcome such challenges as infrastructure costs. I believe we all have the responsibility to contribute and to make sure that all the developments are being developed in the best and sustainable way possible, and that can only be happening when we join forces.